ladies.
Video number 3 in the same clothes.
Well, I don't know what order we're putting them all up in, but
Oh, that's true.
it's third of many.
Yeah. Anyway, this product is a curling iron by the Duvolle company. They reached out to us and asked us to premiere this in a video. And in a video, they heard me talking, I think, about Cindy had gotten one of those curling irons through one of her other boxes. That
Yeah, I think it was the FabFitFun
Yeah,
box.
that doesn't have the little, you know, like how curling irons, you grab the hair and then roll it. This one is without that. You take... Well, you wrap your hair around it. So what they did, which is, I think is really cool, is here's a curling iron. See, and there's no, it's just the curling iron. And then they send a glove that you put on your hand.
A heat glove, yeah.
My one friend who has one of these said, if you don't wear the glove, you end up burning your fingers because inevitably you get it too close to your hand. Now, I have not used this yet. And due to a lack of time for filming tonight, I'm going to take this home because I have more time at home than I do here. And I am gonna film myself curling my hair with this so you guys can actually see how easy it is and how the curls actually, they turn out so pretty. And I was so bummed when she got hers. So I was so excited when the Duvolle company said, hey, we're sending you this curling iron. So I'm gonna try this, but next week I'll send it to Cindy and she'll get it up at some point next week.
Right. So this curling iron on their site is $125, I believe, but they're giving our subscribers, and I'll put the code below, and it basically is 70% off of anything on their website. One item is 70% off. So
it's a pretty nice discount, you guys.
Yeah, so I would encourage you to stay tuned to the end. We'll put all the information there, and you can see how it works. Because Debbie has kind of a little bit coarser hair than mine, and it's a little bit
curlier, frizzier.
Yeah, a little bit frizzier. So hopefully that this will kind of...
Like, I didn't do anything with my hair. I just washed it and put it in a clip. But see, you would take it and then say this was a curling iron. You would start down here, or no, you start up here, and then you wrap your
right, and then you hold it
down
there.
The curling iron, and you hold it there. And see, if you don't wear that glove, you might be touching your fingers to the thing. So my friend said, just make sure you wear the glove your first few times. Once you get used to it, she says you probably won't need it anymore. But she said wear it in the beginning.
Yeah, okay? And I can't even test it because my hair isn't really long enough to do it. So.
I think it is. And when Cindy comes to the lake one weekend, we'll use it on her as well and show you that video. But so thank you from the Duvolle company, and you will see me use your product in the next week or so.
Yeah. All right, so stay tuned and take a look at Debbie's attempt at using the curling iron for the first time ever.
Okay, so the curling iron is hot enough now, and I'm going to start with my hair. I think I want to try to curl it under a little bit just so I have a little bit of wave. So I will hold it. We will see what happens. All right, well, we'll see. I don't know if this is the kind of curl I'm looking for, but I could be doing it wrong. So what it's doing is it's kind of just giving me this little wave.